Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2014 Hyundai i30 1.6 CRDI SE. The vehicle is in metallic silver finish with a 17-inch of Hyundai alloy wheels. As you can see, it's got a privacy glass, rear parking sensors. The vehicle is in amazing condition. No scratches or dents on the bodywork at all. It's got split folding rear seats and a parcel shelf. 12-volt power outlet in the boot as well. The spare tire and the tools with it. And the front view of the vehicle has got a daytime running LED lights. It's got two-tone velour interior with grey stitches on the sides, 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, and for your safety it's got front and side airbags. So here we have the electric windows and 40 mirrors. It's got panoramic roof with electric blinds, and it is tilt and side as well. It is a 6-speed manual. It's got multifunction steering wheel, a cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, it's got also a AM/FM radio and a MP3 CD player, air conditioning with a dual zone climate control, volt power outlets, 2 of them, auxiliary, iPod and USB slot, some storage, cup holders in the middle, a center armrest with some storage under it. It's got auto headlights as well. This was the video walk around of the 2014 Hyundai i30. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.